Hello, boys and girls. I have something exciting to share. Remember the EV1? Found this online. Thanks to Chelsea Sexton, I didn't even know these existed. Service manuals that went to dealerships, even though they were lease only. This is how you maintain an EV1. Let's see. It's a 3-book set. Oh, God. Okay, this is the HVAC book. HVAC book. Or is it a two-parter? 2 books? Sealed? Oh, it's a Ziploc. These other two had me going for a minute. Saturn View 2004. But it actually does have the magic inside. Sir. Battery and charging. And when I'm going through these books, I'll probably wear gloves, but just carefully for now. Body repair. Again, I don't know what this is all about. But propulsion system. Brakes. Regenerative and hydraulic, I assume, for that book. Chassis. And I'm also getting an eBay book of body panel maintenance repair, body panel for the EV1. So my goal here is to make this public, digitize it, put it on archive.org, whatever means you would like. OCR it so it's searchable, and so for enthusiasts out there that want to know how this car was built and engineered by reading this, have fun, guys. Fun fact, the max regen power is around 10 kilowatts, whereas in the first gen Chevy Volt it maxed out at 60. Nominal pack voltage 312. Turtle mode is 8 kilowatts. This will take some time to digitize. I have to figure out how to operate this binder. Push. But eventually it will get done and in various formats. Let me know if you have suggestions on how to best digitize these.